Hey everybody, this is Ryan Brooks with the Field Agent team. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how you can build and launch a program to get ratings and reviews for Walmart.com today. I'm going to be using our tool, the Plum Marketplace, in our ratings and reviews program to do this. I'm here on the Plum Marketplace, where under the Solutions tab, you can find a Walmart dropdown that brings you to our Winning at Walmart page. This is where you can find our ratings and reviews products for Walmart.com, but you can also find other types of products such as in-store audits as well. Today, I'm going to walk you through a product that gets you ratings and reviews by having real shoppers buy your product directly from Walmart.com, try it, and leave their review. Keep in mind, we do have a product available to have shoppers go directly into Walmart stores, buy products, bring them home, try it, and leave a review as well. But I'm going to start with a product, Walmart.com ratings and reviews with an online purchase. From this product screen, you'll see a few of the details about the program, such as the $15 per review price. But from here, we can click Let's Get Started. The first thing we're going to do in this project build is name our project, as well as choose start and end dates. You also have the ability to select some sample demographics. So if you have no preferences in mind, you can just leave this as no audience preference, but you can also select this audience preference button and choose from household income, children in household, ethnic background, age range, and gender. Once you've done that, the next step is uploading your product that you want shoppers to purchase and leave reviews for. Click the Add New Product button. Then you're going to want to fill out all the categories and blanks provided. We're going to need a few details here for your product, such as the category and subcategory the product's found in, the brand, the product description, the UPC, the price you expect shoppers to pay, the review URL. For the review URL, it's probably best to just go to the Walmart.com page listing and copy and paste that URL directly from Walmart.com. Once you upload your review URL, you're going to want to upload a photo of the product to help make sure that our shoppers find it. You can simply do this by uploading a photo from your files, and you'll get this green bar to let you know that the upload's complete. If you only have one product to get reviews for, you'd be done at this step, but you can upload up to 12 products here. On the next page, we're going to choose how many reviews we want. So with this one product, medium salsa, I'm going to type in 10 reviews. Once you enter in that number, you're going to automatically see the price for this program calculated below. Keep in mind that the product reimbursement that you see here is just an estimate, and you will pay actuals based on the receipt information our shoppers upload. Finally, we're going to get to the checkout pages. This is where you're going to want to read through and make sure all the information that you entered was correct. Additionally, if you have a discount code, this is where you'll be able to enter that in and apply it and get a discount. Finally, we get to our payments page. This is going to be where you're able to add your credit card and use your credit card to pay for the reimbursement of your reviews. And agree to our terms and conditionings and click submit. What happens is this project goes directly into our Field Agent app, where 2+ million shoppers will be able to see this, go to Walmart.com, place their order, receive the product, try it, and leave the reviews. Once those reviews have been left, they'll start to show up on Walmart.com, and all of the data from this project will start to trickle into your dashboard so you can check and see what those reviews were, how these shoppers are liking the product, and verify that everything went according to plan with this data. If you have any questions about Plum or how to build out a program like this, you can use our live chat feature that's located in the bottom right-hand corner of the dashboard, or you can email our team directly using hello@plumshop.com. Thank you for shopping Plum.